So dear friends, if you wanna scan in the WhatsApp QR code, first I wanna let you know there are mainly two ways to scan in the WhatsApp QR code. Okay, and here in this video I'm gonna show you both the ways. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Here is also a QR code, but it's not the QR code that we are talking about. Right, it's the payment QR code, but we need the WhatsApp profile QR code. So at the top right corner, click on the three-dot icon. Now see here, just at the right of your profile and name, you see a QR code icon here, so click on it. Now you get two options here, My Code and Scan Code. If you want to have your own QR code, then select My Code and take a screenshot of this code number, okay? But if you want to scan any QR code, just click on Scan Code. From here, you can directly scan any WhatsApp QR code. This is the first method to scan any WhatsApp QR code. And in the second method, what to do? Now look at the bottom left corner, you'll see a gallery icon here, so click on it, and it will redirect you to your phone gallery. Now select the QR code photo from your phone gallery, and then you will directly reach to that WhatsApp number. And now you can directly message from here without saving that phone number. So this is how you can scan in the WhatsApp QR code. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See, I'll see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.